Hi everyone, this is Kristen, and today I'm here to install and review the brand new OtterBox Amplify Edge2Edge screen protector for iPhone 11 Pro. So I was really impressed with this when I installed it in its non-edge-to-edge version on my iPhone 11. Extremely great screen protector, awesome installer, and it resists scratches up to 5 times better than regular tempered glass screen protectors. So I'm really excited to see how their edge-to-edge version is. Let's get this installed on my iPhone 11 Pro in silver and check it out. Looking at the contents of the box, we have a very nice looking install tool. Hopefully this will help make the installation easy and trouble-free. Obviously we have the screen protector itself, and then we have an accessory kit. This looks like the same one that we had for the OtterBox Amplify. Looking at the contents of our accessory kit, we have a dust removal sticker, we have a wet wipe to clean your screen with, and we have a microfiber cloth to dry it with. Although this is really a pretty small microfiber cloth, I think that they could have gone a little bit more upmarket given the price of this product. To start off with, you want to make sure that you're working in as clean, dust-free, and well-lit environment as possible. Remove any case that might be on your phone, as well as obviously any existing screen protector. Then use the wet wipe to carefully clean your phone, and the microfiber cloth to dry it. Finally, take the dust removal sticker and use it to remove any remaining bits of dust. Next, take your alignment tool and place it over the top of the phone, pressing it gently over the sides. Once everything else is in place and ready to go, you're going to need to remove the protective board on the back of the screen protector in order to expose the adhesive. Be careful not to touch the adhesive side of the screen protector while you're doing this. Then take the screen protector and place it starting at the bottom, carefully within the confines of the installer, making sure that you have everything straight and correctly aligned. Once everything looks good, you can swipe along the arrow here at the bottom of the screen protector and then watch it adhere. Remove the installer and the sticker and you should be all set. Looking at the results of the installation, I think everything went absolutely perfectly. This is just a beautiful screen protector on my iPhone 11 Pro. It makes me love my iPhone 11 Pro even more having it on. This was really easy to install. Love the installer. We have a really good quality adhesive on here. I think everything looks great on here. I had a tiny bit of dust that was caught underneath the one edge here, but I was able to easily remove it. This always says something to me about the quality of a screen protector when you're able to lift it back up, remove a piece of dust, and put it back down without any issues. I was certainly able to do that in this case, so that is excellent. So if you look here, we've got a very high degree of coverage on the phone's screen. Really just about completely edge to edge here. Comparing this with the OtterBox Amplify that I have on my iPhone 11 here, you can see that the edges here on the Amplify are completely uncovered. Really a pretty large margin there, and that this area is all covered when you look at it in the edge-to-edge version of the Amplify. So there's definitely a pretty significant difference there. I will say that the Amplify edge-to-edge appears to be slightly thicker than the regular Amplify, case compatible. Not really sure if that's the case or whether it's just the black edges that throw me off. But other than that, just a really great screen protector. So our edges here are all rounded. They feel lovely underneath the fingertips. Just fantastic. I do have a teeny tiny area up here, a tiny white dot, which has not gone away yet. Hopefully that's going to go away. OtterBox says in their instruction leaflet that any tiny bubble should go away within 24 hours. We'll see. But even if it doesn't, it's the tiniest of bubbles. It's almost not noticeable. If you turn the screen off, you can see it a little bit better. You see that tiny white spot there? But really, that is it. Other than that, everything just looks marvelous. Just a perfect installation. In terms of usability, everything is perfect. No issues with your haptic touch. Your oleophobic coating is outstanding. Feels wonderful underneath the fingertips. Everything is great there. You've got outstanding optical clarity, swiping, typing, texting. It's all great. There's absolutely no issue whatsoever with this screen protector. I just love the way it looks and feels on my iPhone. I really, really, really like the OtterBox Amplify screen protector line. As you can tell, I'm not usually quite this enthusiastic fantastic, but there's honestly just nothing wrong with this screen protector. It's just awesome. So this is supposed to offer up to 5 times more scratch protection than your typical tempered glass screen protector, so I think that that's great. That's not the sort of testing that I do, so I can't really speak to that, but I think that that's very reassuring, and I do love the fact that I've got this edge-to-edge protection here. So as far as case compatibility, this is edge-to-edge, so it's not going to fit with all cases, but I will say it does fit with most OtterBox cases and LifeProof cases as well. Obviously, you're not going to be able to use this with the Free, but it's going to work with the Flip, the Next, and the Slam. And when you look at OtterBox's lineup, this should work with most OtterBox cases. A few of the ones that it's not going to work with are the Pursuit and the Defender, but looking down a list of OtterBox cases, it seems like this should work with the vast majority of them, including the Strata and the Symmetry and the Commuter, etc. So overall, I think we've got some really good case compatibility with this, particularly given the fact that it's edge-to-edge. So overall, just a really great choice from OtterBox for iPhone 11 Pro. Again, we've been looking at the OtterBox Amplify Edge2Edge Screen Protector for iPhone 11 Pro. This product is available directly from OtterBox as well as from many other retailers, and it has an MSRP of $59.95. Many thanks to the kind folks at OtterBox for sending me out this sample to review. If you have any questions about this product, please feel free to put them in the comments below, and if you're interested in subscribing, please hit that subscribe button because I have lots more great screen protector and case reviews coming up. Again, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer, and this is the OtterBox Amplify Edge-to-Edge Screen Protector for iPhone 11 Pro. Thanks so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.